Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to bail ourselves out of another kind of thread problem. Last time we covered external threads. This time we're going inside the hole to rescue internal threads. It's a little trickier, but I'll walk you through it step by step. The scenario. It's always when you're in the middle of something, backing out a bolt on the mower, the car, or the machine, and snap, the head twists off. Now you've got part of that bolt still in the hole. Sometimes it breaks with the stud sticking out. That's your best case. Other times it's broken off flush or even below the surface. That's your worst case. Either way, we can fix it. Step 1. Best case, stud sticking out. If you've got some bolt left to grab, soak it with penetrating oil. PB Blaster works better than WD-40 here. Tap on it lightly with a hammer to shock the threads and help the oil work in. After a while, grab it with locking pliers and work it back and forth. Not brute force, finesse. If it moves, you can usually walk it right out without hurting the threads. Step 2. Worst case, broken below the surface. If it's flush or deep in a blind hole, you can't just grab it. Start the same way. Penetrating oil, gentle tapping with hammer and punch to shock it loose. Sometimes you can still work it out with a punch and patience, but if it won't budge, we move to drilling and extracting. Step 3. Drill and extract. I like the new left-handed drill bit and extractor combos. I've never used one personally, but here's the idea. You drill your pilot hole in reverse, so the bit is already trying to unscrew the bolt while it drills. If you're lucky, the bolt will back out before you even get to the extractor. These are hardened steel, so they're tough, but brittle. If you snap one off in the hole, you've doubled your trouble. Now you've got a broken bolt and a broken extractor to deal with. Work slow. Step 4. Chasing the threads. Once the bolt's out, clean up the threads with a bottoming tap or a thread chaser. You're not cutting new metal, just following the original thread shape to clean it up. Don't force it, and use a little cutting fluid on steel for lubrication. When you're done, blow out the debris, but cover the hole with a rag and wear eye protection. Those chips will fly. Step 5. When threads are gone. Helicoil. If the threads are too damaged to save, it's time for a helicoil insert. Drill the hole oversized with the bit the kit specifies. Tap it with the special Helicoil tap. Thread in the insert until it's just below the surface. Break off the tang with a punch, and if you can, fish the tang out of the hole. You'll be left with brand new threads, often stronger than the originals, especially in aluminum parts. Wrap up. So here's the sequence. If there's a stud, grab it, soak it, and walk it out. If it's flush or deep, oil, shock, drill, and extract. Clean up the threads if they're still good. Or install a helicoil if they're not. Combine this with what you learned in the external thread repair video, and you'll be ready for almost anything. I'm Sparky. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Sparky out.